national capital recorded its highest 24-hour December rainfall since 1997 on Friday, Met officials said. The Safdarjung Observatory, figures of which are considered official for the city, recorded 33.5 mm rainfall, the second highest after 70 mm in December 1997, till 5:30 p.m. Meanwhile, the Palam weather station registered an all-time December high of 40.2 mm in the last 24 hours. It had gauged 33.7 mm rainfall on December 3, 1967, the officials said. Delhi recorded a low of 12.8 degrees Celsius and a high of 21.5 degrees Celsius, which was 2 notches below normal. The heavy rainfall and high-velocity winds led to an improvement in the city's air quality. The AQI in the city on Friday reached 240. It was recorded in the severe category on Thursday. News Desk.